fenugreek leaf stuffed tortillas or methi paratha. Ingredients: boiled potato, fenugreek leaf, onion chopped, green chilli, cilantro, ginger, garlic, salt. Saute all ingredients. Expect boiled potato in a pan. Mix like this. Take freshly kneaded whole wheat flour like this. Take a bowl, add boiled potatoes, fenugreek leaf, little salt, mix together. The mix is ready. Take a dough ball like this. Make the stuff in it and cover it up. Add some dust, flour dust. Roll with the roller pin. Put it in a hot pan. Turn it up. Turn it again. Add some clarified butter or desi ghee. Turn it up. Apply on this side also. Yes, it's ready to serve. Serve with lemon pickle. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it. Hit bell icon for next videos. Thank you.